In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Kodi app on Android. First, we need to open the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store icon on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Once you tap on that icon, the Play Store will load up, displaying a variety of apps and games. This step is crucial because the Google Play Store is the safest place to download apps on your Android device. It ensures that you are getting the official version of Kodi, free from any malware or harmful software. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Kodi. You will see a virtual keyboard appear once you tap the search bar. As you begin typing, suggestions might pop up below, but go ahead and type the full name. This action allows you to narrow down the vast array of applications available to just those related to Kodi. It's important to be precise with your search to ensure you find the correct application quickly. After that, select the official app developed by the Kodi Foundation. Look for the app that has a recognizable logo, which is a blue and white design. It should also be verified as the Kodi Google Play Store entry. This step ensures you are downloading the authentic Kodi app. Downloading the official version is important for your security and ensures you receive updates and support directly from the developers. Now tap the Install button. This button is usually green and located on the app's page. Once you tap it, the app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This step is vital because it starts the process of bringing Kodi to your device. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. The installation typically doesn't take long, so you can expect to see it completed shortly. Once the installation is finished, you will see an option to open the app directly from the Play Store. Tap on Open to launch Kodi for the first time. This is an exciting moment as you will now have access to all the features Kodi offers. You may also want to consider adding Kodi to your home screen for easier access in the future. This little step saves you time later, making it convenient to get to your favorite media without searching through your apps. And that's how you download the Kodi app on your Android device. Each step is designed to ensure you get the right application securely and efficiently. If you have followed along, you should now be ready to explore all the features that Kodi has to offer. Enjoy your new app and happy streaming!